Want to add filters and color grading in edits, and it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can add filters and color grading to your video. Start by heading over to your application edits. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Select any of the video that you want to edit, or you can choose or select the video that you have already imported. Once you are in the edit section, now if you want to add the filters, then click on the video that you are editing. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Click on filters. Tons of different filters will be available. Select any of the filters that you want to add to your video. Once you have selected, tap on the stick icon right beside filters. There you can see that the filters has been added. Similarly, you can select other videos and do the same process in order to add the filters. For another video, you can choose different filters. And that's it, the filters has been added to your video. If it helped, give it a like and check out our next tutorial, especially if you're just getting started in edits.